Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about the summer collection from Lights Lacquer called Catch Me in Capri. This is a 6-piece set inspired by the romance of picturesque destinations. This set also features 2 creams, 1 crelly, 1 jelly, and 2 shimmers. Along with this release are new nail art tattoos that go along with the collection's theme, and of course, a bundle of 3 stickers that can be used to personalize accessories such as laptops and water bottles. So without further ado, let's get swatching. First up, we have Limoncello. This one's a bright lemon yellow polish with a cream finish. The color intensity is incredible with this one. It really is a true cream. We see that already on that first coat, and it builds up nicely into 2. It's got great coverage. This one screams sunshine, and it is the perfect yellow for summer. Next is Arrivederci, and this one is a cream polish as well. It's a pistachio green. It looks very sage-like in person. I would say this one has got to be one of the most subtle shades, the most neutral of the collection. And just like Limoncello, it's got incredible coverage and intense color. I love this one for more of an everyday wear if I'm not feeling like, okay, I want to draw attention to the nails as much. But I love this color and I love the formula. And this is the final look in 2 coats. Next is Mediterranean Summer. This one is described to be a light aqua sheer polish with a fine gold and green shimmer. This is the polish I was most excited about. I love the gold shimmer and the aqua shade. It is the perfect combination, especially for the summertime. It's just a touch too sheer for me on my longer nails, but that said, I will definitely be rocking this one this summer. Next is Sunday in Santorini, a beautiful bright royal blue. Just looking at this polish in the bottle, it looks like it would be a cream polish, but it's actually a crelly, meaning it's going to give us a cream jelly combination kind of finish. It's not going to give us full or high opacity like the first 2 shades we looked at, but instead it's going to be slightly sheer. I don't mind it personally. I would love it to be a true cream, but I cannot get over this beautiful blue color. The application and the formula for this one isn't too bad. This would be great in 3 coats, but you can definitely get away with 2. This one's a bright, bold, gorgeous color. Even the application is very creamy. I just feel like, why couldn't this just be a cream and not a crelly? But it's okay. We still love it. It does give really great coverage. Next we have Raspberry Sorbet. This one's described to be a coral red sheer polish. It's got a jelly finish to it. This is such a beautiful shade to me, and it builds really nicely in color on it. Where it loses me is that it doesn't seem to be as long nail friendly. The color intensity tapers off near the tip of my nails. So what I did and what I would suggest is to go back in with more polish and layer it near the tip of the nail and really let it fill in and blend together at those more bare spots. Personally, I feel like it leans more into the crelly territory because of how intense the color is. Overall, I really love this shade. Last but not least is Aperol Spritz. Anyone? This one is described to be a sheer red-orange polish, and it's got a fine multicolor shimmer in there as well. So the formula on this one is beautiful. The red-orange base gives us just enough color, but allows those shimmers to really shine here. I feel like the Lights Lacquer team really nailed this one with matching the color to that very popular orange drink, and then adding that layer of shimmer to represent the bubbliness of that drink. I love how this polish turned out. It really does remind me of that beloved beverage. And this is the final look. It's giving a beautiful deep red orange, and I'm here for it. So that's it for the swatches, but I will say picking the best of the bunch was not easy this time around. There were quite a few polishes that were my favorites. I really loved Lemon in Summer and Aperol Spritz, anyone, but to pick just one, I would choose Sunday in Santorini. Though I didn't love the crelly formula, I would have loved if it was a true cream. You really can't beat this color. It is so bright, and personally, I know I'll be reaching for this one very often, especially if I'm going for bold color outfits. I don't find this shade to be that common either in general, and just I feel like we tend to see the yellows, those oranges, the greens very often. And of course, there are classics, but this blue shade really stood out for me, and it really does remind me of Santorini. Such a beautiful, beautiful place and a beautiful polish to match. Overall, this is such a fun collection. I love the color palette, the color story, everything about it just really is on theme. It is perfect for the summertime. I'm really looking forward to summer and vacation and beach and sun and all of that. Are these unique shades? I wouldn't say so. I feel like we've seen a lot of these before. The colors, the finish. Like I said about the blue, that beautiful royal blue, it is just incredible. It's not a shade that we've seen very often. I think it's bright, bold. If you're looking for something like that, definitely take a look at this shade. And hey, if I find myself in Greece, this is the color I'm going to be wearing, girl. It is so pretty. Everything was really fun about this collection. Anyways, let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. Did you pick up this collection? What shades stood out to you? Let me know in the comment section below. But until then, stay healthy, stay safe, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!